Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S80, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through, normally I would say recovery mode, but there is no recovery mode here, so this will be through factory reset. Now the purpose of this would be to remove a screen lock if you have one that, as an example, you don't actually know. Now I did set it up, set one screen lock up, so there it is, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't actually know my pattern. So let's get started by holding the power key and selecting power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up or volume down, it doesn't really matter which one. And you will hold basically both of the keys till you see the DOOGEE logo, and then let go of only the power key but keep holding one of the volume keys. So I'll be sticking with volume down as an example. So power key, volume down. There's the DOOGEE logo, let go of the power key, keep holding volume down. And it boots us into the factory mode. Now even though it's in a completely different language, not English, we can simply navigate through it fairly easy. The option that we need to select has actual English letters. Using the volume down key, you want to scroll down to the third option from the bottom, which has EMMC, as you can see. So this is the only option with actual English lettering or just an alphabet like that. So that's what you want to have selected. This is a clear EMMC, which is equivalent of a factory reset of the device. And then you confirm it with power key. So right now it's formatting data, and once it's completed, it looks like the device automatically reboots. So all we need to do now is simply wait for the device to reboot. Now this will take a little bit longer because it is formatting the entire device in the background, but once it's completed, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like, and also screen lock has been now completely removed. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.